Let me share some predictions from people who are far smarter than me when it comes about the issue of AI versus the future of coaching and consultancy. Hundreds of millions of people will experience coaching for the very first time in their lives via apps on their phone or their laptop. There will be a massive increase in the demand for convenience and accessibility, relatively safe from AI competition right now, would include careers, occupations, and things like transformational coaches, mental health and substance abuse social workers, trained nurses, psychologists, dentists, workplace conversations and performance specialists, and athletic trainers, just to name a few. But transactional people like telemarketers, insurance underwriters, models, accountants, retail salespeople, real estate salespeople, and word processors are relatively easy to replace with AI. There will also be a continued demand for live in-person experiences, and some urgent principles are needed more now than ever before, including well-being. We are facing a humanitarian crisis when it comes to mental health and wellness in all parts of society and all levels of business, including senior management. And the second urgent principle is wisdom. People's habits of thinking have not developed for the rapidly changing world we are living in right now. We all need wisdom, compassion, and clarity insights to meet all the changes of this digital age. And the main way of sharing these principles is human to human. Care, concern, and compassion will definitely differentiate you from AI. Think about that.